There are many beautiful souls that I need to thank. And one of those individuals is Candace. Candace is a follower of mine, and she reached out and she shared with me that she would love to help me work through some of the struggles that I have around my multiple sclerosis. I was in a very open space in my life, and I said, why not? Let's see what this can be. I could not have asked for a better person to share and to walk through what I have been struggling with around multiple sclerosis and how multiple sclerosis showed up in my life and how it plays a part in my life and what I want that to look like moving forward. That I have power and control over that. Very, very beautiful. Thank you. I'm grateful to have had the opportunity to spend time with you, to hold space with you, and you to hold space with me, and to just witness and experience the beautiful gift and passion that you have with enriching the lives of women in our relationships, not only with others, but with ourselves. Thank you for making 2023 a powerful year for me and positioning me for a powerful future. Thank you. If you are someone who needs to work through some inner personal relationships with yourself so that you can have deeper, stronger, rich relationships with other people, set up a session with Candace. You will not regret it. Leave your questions in the comments. Make sure you're following Candace.